Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north central Texas, southern Zandt County in north central Texas, Henderson County in central Texas, northeastern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:17 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Linden Storms was located from near Kemp to Cairns, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Athens, Gun Barrel City, Canton, Maybank, Chandler, Van, Blackall, Toole, with pinpoints, and Brownsboro, Trinidad, Gray Prairie, Enchanted Oaks, Cheney City, Curtis Creek State Park, and Paint Springs. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 525 and 542. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.